Hey, welcome to Easy Mathematics and the new video. Today I'm at the integration B from 2020, from the final round. The integral is 1 over x to the power 2/3 plus x to the power 4/3, and it looks really horrible. And as a hint, I take a close look at the exponents and then see what we get. So if you want to try it by yourself, pause the video. So let's see. Because this 4 is the double of 2, we factor out x to the 2/3, and this reminds me of a certain pattern, and let's see what we get. So if we factor out x 2/3, we get 1 plus x to the 2/3 dx. Okay, and why is this helpful? We rewrite this integral and we write it as mx to the power minus 2/3, this is this one, over 1 plus cube root x squared dx. And why I do this? Because this square here, this reminds me of the integral of the arctangent. So integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared is the inverse tangent. Okay? So here our x is cube root x, and this x to the power minus 2/3, this reminds of, so if we have x to the 1/3 and we differentiate this, we get x, so minus 2/3 and 1/3 here. Okay? So 1/3 comes to the front, exponent minus 1 is minus 2/3. So in the numerator there is exactly the derivative of the cube root of x. Only our factor is missing, so we put a 1/3 here and a 3 in front. Okay? And therefore we have here our final result is therefore 3 times inverse tangent cube root x plus some constant. Okay? So let's check it again. The inverse tangent, the derivative is 1 over 1 plus the inside squared, this is exactly that, times the chain rule, the derivative of cube root x, and this is exactly this x to the power minus 2/3. Okay? So very beautiful integral in my opinion. And like I said, this 4 was for me, and these two parts, this was for me the sign to take a closer look. Maybe there is some arctangent going on, and this was the case in this case. So I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye bye.